Can a single machine redefine the sovereignty of a nation? As modern warfare shifts from the trenches to the stratosphere, the military drone market is no longer just an extension of air power, it is the new front line. In the last 6 months, we've seen the end of pilot-centric dogfights and the birth of the autonomous swarm. But who is winning the billion-dollar race for the sky? The numbers show unyielding expansion. According to Next Move's strategy consulting analysis, the military drone market is projected to reach $47.51 billion by 2035, growing at a CAGR of 14.18%. Investors are now pivoting toward attritable systems that can be lost in combat without breaking the bank. This week, we saw a massive breakthrough in maritime warfare. Zero USV successfully deployed a Teledyne Slocum ocean glider from an autonomous surface vessel for the first time.
Hi, I'm Rob from Teledyne Marine Vehicles, here today to support Zero USV in the launch of a Slocum vehicle from their unmanned system.
I think what you can see today very clearly is that when you take two innovative maritime defence companies, put them together, you can end up accelerating the learning and product delivery for the navies of this world. And today we have done a world first in launching a Slocum glider from a USV autonomously.
This proves that mothership drones can now provide persistent subsea surveillance without a single human on board. In the air, Shield AI has unveiled the X-Bat, a supersonic vertical takeoff drone fighter. Geopolitically, North America leads with a 41% share, but APAC is the fastest growing powerhouse. However, the industry's biggest bottleneck has always been mass production. To solve this, Anduril Industries just announced that production at their massive Arsenal One facility in Ohio. This 5 million square foot factory is designed to build the Fury autonomous fighter at hyperscale.
This warehouse is designed to make the airframes for Barracuda dive bombers and AI-powered Fury fighter jets, with flexible design space to build different types of planes, all in the same building. Each of these stations is set to have 8 to 10 people working on them, and by using technology and commercially available products that workers are already used to using, they're hoping to hire more people from right here in Central Ohio.
The outlook for 2026 is clear. The sky and the sea are becoming software platforms. For investors, the opportunity lies in AI integration and the shift toward affordable mass. The era of the autonomous swarm is here. Read the full analysis at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for your weekly intelligence update.